Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video will be all about the new pilot program which Cubic has released. So this is gonna be a game changer for the VFX workers. So in this video, I'm particularly speaking about the VFX workers, but meantime, I'll try to cover the other fields as well. It's a great news for one who is working in VFX sectors, IT sector, AI sector, and food processing industries. So if you are working in these industries, then the Quebec government has made it very easy for you to apply for a permanent residence if you are on a temporary work permit. So the Quebec government released a press meet on these three pilot programs on 29th of October 2020. These programs will be implemented earlier next year, that is 2021. Before moving forward, let's get to know what is the pilot program. So the pilot program is a community driven program which provides the economic immigration pathway for you to move as a permanent residence to Canada. You should be a skilled worker to be a part of this program. Coming to the latest news, where Quebec government announced on 28th October, there is a pilot program will be implemented earlier next year to provide more permanent residence opportunities for the temporary worker who is already in Quebec. So this is really a good part, but with the count the Quebec has mentioned so long, it looks really difficult for one who is recently moved to get it. But let's give a try, see who can apply for this program. The program for orderlies, that is nurses and patient attendants, can apply. For workers in artificial intelligence, that is AI, information technology, and the VFX sector. For workers in food processing industry. With this new pilot program, Quebec government aims to attract and retain people whose skills meet specific job market of Quebec government. The new pilot program will be placed for an anticipated duration of 5 years. Each pilot program will benefit from maximum allotment of 550 Quebec collection certificates per year. So what are the requirements for this program? So first, let's finish the requirements for orderlies. Orderlies who you should be having at least 2 years of experience in your home country or in a Quebec, and you should be willing to work in Quebec health system for another 2 years. So now for VFX workers, IT and AI sectors, holds a valid work permit, has full-time job for 24 months in the last 60 months, will work in respective fields. If example VFX job, you should be working in a VFX job currently or should be able to work in that. Holds a diploma that is equivalent to diploma in college studies. Now let's talk about completely on VFX sector. So 550 in VFX, that is IT, AI is owning commonly. Total allotment for these sectors is 550. In this, AI sectors owns 275. IT and VFX sector own 275 again. I'm talking on a IT plus VFX sector particularly. In this, there is a split again. Non-French speaking applicant is owning 137 places. French speaking applicant with level B2 in verbal French owns 138. If you want to fall in these categories, then I'm not sure in this 138 places, like as I want to take myself as example. I don't know French, I'm just learning it, but if I want to reach B2 level, I'll take at least 1 year of time to reach that level. And being a non-native speaker, I may be able to attend the French exam or may not be able to attend a French exam because of my knowledge in French, but if I hardly study, I'll be able to get it. So in this case, 137 looks really less for me, but we can't help. If you want PR, you want to achieve it, you will be getting an additional points if you know French. If not, then you will fall under 138 category. So in this case, what happens, you will be able to get some additional points. But if we try to get band 10 in IELTS or band 9 in IELTS, I think we can match it out. So it's my opinion on this, but you make sure you explore on this. Soon lot of information will be available on Quebec government website, and I'll be sharing with my video as well. So next, coming to an education part, you should at least hold a diploma that is equivalent to Quebec college diploma. Indians, of course, we have to get it evaluated. Experience minimum of 2 years within the last 5 years in Quebec or elsewhere, only if you fall under these mentioned NOC. These are only information which is available so long, but soon we'll be getting more information by Quebec government. So I'll be back with a video again. If you already are in a Quebec and fall under any category, you have to start with your evaluation. You can do your evaluation as I mentioned earlier in a Quebec immigration website. Let me know if you need a video on that, how to do evaluation and all. I'll make a video on that as well. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more update on this program.